Hey friends, if you wish to install Chrome extensions on the Microsoft Edge browser, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So let us open Microsoft Edge and type web Chrome extensions and hit enter and go to the Chrome Web Store here. Okay, now it mentions here Chrome extensions work in Microsoft Edge. Why? Why? Because Microsoft Edge is a Chromium based browser, and since the base is the same, we can use these extensions, but they won't work on Firefox. They will work on Chrome. Okay, let us try to install to-do list. Okay, click on it says allow extensions from other stores. Click on allow. It says add extension and added. That is how easy it is. I mean, obviously we cannot download these directly from the Microsoft Edge store, but we can download it from chromewebstore.google.com, and all we need to do is give the permissions. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.